Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Let's do an unboxing on this LED magnetic pickup tool. So we're gonna, looks like it comes in a really nice box. We got the batteries already. So we have to install the batteries. So it telescopes. Wow, that's really nice. And then that's got like a little coil at the end that you can move it. It's flexible. I can turn the light on and off right there. This is magnetic right here. I can stick that to a magnet. So yeah, pretty neat. All right, 6 7/8 that way. You know, the light. Oh, it's magnetic up here too. Magnetic. Those feel like really strong magnets too. Let's telescope it out. 22.5 inches. 90-degree angle, about 4 inches. And looks like it takes 4 LR44 batteries. So we're gonna have to put them in up here. It comes with batteries already installed. There was just this piece of tape. Remove now, so I got spare batteries. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Put that on. Ah, nice. Just one position, on or off. Pretty neat. Comes in a really nice box. I love that it comes with spare batteries. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.